you might understand the ancient prophets, whose name is Daniel. He lives in the time of Babylonian king. Daniel wrote a letter, specifically in the book of Daniel chapter 9. We're talking about prophecy. Daniel 9 has a lot to do with Jesus' lifetime and the prophecy in ancient times. Now, Daniel 9 is not start counting. It did not start count until the time of the Persian Empire arrived. Babylonian Empire attacked or invade the southern kingdom. When was that? 586 BC. We are living in 2024 plus 586, somewhere around 2,600 years ago. Now, 586 BC, 50 years after Babylonian invade the southern kingdom, Persian Empire growing up. They were expanding their wing. They're, what do you call this? They are really invade these countries aggressively. Darius, Artaxerxes, those are the kings of the Persian. I should be like the rabbi does. I should walk in the dust of the rabbi. Kung niabok na iyang tigil, kinaman akong tigil. Abok yan. Una ang ancient day followers, not like us. So that's how love Jesus to them. He loves them to the end. Not half-hearted, not halfway around, but he loved them. You know why Jesus loves them? He created them. He said to the crowds, before Abraham, I was. He created them.
So, kung saan yun ang nakamotivate ninyo? Sama? So may masunod na kay Tugdan. May nakapa? Dasi? Nakahasol niyo? Hasol ba ng leader? Di ba? Number 2 is rewards-based. Una, responsibility. Responsibilidad pa rin ako ang mag-leader ko. Ako talas ko yun. Sige, panayan talas. Parang yan, differentiate. Diyos na rin. Kumatso ko. Kita ito din. Unsa ang heart sa mga disciple. Para ito, heart ng leader. Ngayon sa nila,